Good morning, everyone. My name is Jeff, and I'm going to be your spokesman. I'm from theboxmen.com, where we've changed the way you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to show you, or I want to attempt to show you, how to add privacy and also block ads while streaming from your media devices. Let's take a look. Hi, guys. I am back again. Jeff Jones, spokesman for theboxman.com. Also, thestreammachines.com and another website as well. Well, we've changed the way that you should watch TV. As I said in our intro, I'm going to show you in a really short video, no more. I'm trying to keep it below 10 minutes if I can, on how to add privacy and block ads while streaming media. Now, we are the Stream Machines YouTube channel, where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you with those things and make them easy for you, one video at a time. What we're going to look at is the formula, one of the formula boxes or devices that I've used for a very, very long time. And this is the infamous Z11 Pro Max. And we're going to take a look at, in a couple of ways, a couple of things. First, we're going to take a look at what a DNS is, domain name system, and a AdGuard DNS is where we're going to go to a website to take a look at one of the best ways by using this service, how to really put privacy on wherever you're streaming and block trafficking, ads, trackers, and all of that. While we go through that, in this other part of the video, after we show you the website, I'll go to the device itself and show you by using something called Blockada, how Blockada already has the AdGuard DNS in it. So without any further ado, let's just jump into that part. So let's go on the Formula Z11 Pro Max. You're going to need a browser. Lately, I've been using the Zeus TV browser, just to mess with it a little bit. And I've already put in the information about AdGuard DNS. I'll make sure I link their website in the description. So as we go down, the biggest thing everyone knows when you're streaming, no matter whether you're doing it from a media device or maybe you're doing it from, your personal things in, your not websites, but your laptop or any streaming device, you have to have privacy. And if you've been online where we've looked at something, got off that website, and all of a sudden, everywhere I go, what I was looking at is following me, trying to bait me into buying it. That's a tracker. So let's take a look at how the DNS works. So it's going to go down here. We're just going to go down the website. Block anything, block ads, trackers, analytic systems for any website or app. Protect your kids, shield your kids from undesired content, and schedule their screen time. And you can control all the devices by using this. Now, how this works is, number one, you'll imagine that you connected your devices. Now your DNS service is up and running. Every time you enter a website URL or open a link, your device asks AdGuard DNS for the corresponding IP address. So a domain name system or address is like getting directions to my home. If you don't know where I live and you don't have my address, if I ask you to come over for barbecue this Sunday and I don't give you an address, you're not going to know how to get there. That's the same thing when you put your domain or website address into your browser. It goes to the domain name servers and make sure that that address is actively, is available, and also not only private, but if it's available to be used, so you can go to the corresponding website. When you have the domain name servers, and you have the right system, it begins to protect you more than you'll ever experience. So I'm going to get down and we're going to go just ask some different things. You got ad blocking with this. You have parental control, as I said before, and stats at your fingertips. I want to get down to some of the filtering and the FAQ. So let me pull my, let's go. So what is a DNS? Let's look at that. So let's open that up if we can. Perfect. Oh, it didn't do it. No. Okay, give me one. Let me try that again. It does a really good way of explaining it really quick. So give me a second if I can go back down. Thank you for your patience. Okay, so DNS stands for Domain Name System. Think of it as an address book of the internet. Your browsers and apps use it to translate domain names that make no sense to them into IP addresses that they can understand. As I said before, without the address of my house, you won't be able to go or see what I am or where I live. So when you type that in, it goes into the internet, into the like an address book, translate that domain name, and gives you the corresponding IP address, like youtube.com. All right. So what is AdGuard DNS? AdGuard DNS is a free, privacy-oriented ad block DNS server. In addition to resolving DNS requests, all right, it blocks ads, trackers, and malicious domains. You can use it instead of your current DNS provider. Now, your DNS provider wants you to have ads because they want to be able to sell your information. Not so much more than that, just learn your buying habits. When you know your buying habits and things of that nature, they can, market to your likes, desires, whatever it might be. So when you start streaming on the internet, privacy and protection is at the paramount. It's paramount because there's so many people that get hacked. I got hacked the other day. Luckily, I had some systems up that took care of that. If you don't have those things while streaming, it just makes it a little bit difficult. So, this is a great free DNS. Now, they do have from their website pricing. You can purchase this on your own and add it to your device. I mean, it's not that expensive when you look at the what it's going to give you, but when you have all of this at your fingertips, it just makes it easier and you feel safer about doing what you're doing. So they have 15 plus locations, 50 plus servers, and look how many users use the DNS server locations. So this is what I wanted to focus on. The domain name systems are needed because if you're streaming from the internet, you are using the internet to stream. So let's show you the app that you should download or install on your device that already has it on there, and it's called Blockada. Now, I already know and have heard that Blockada, this app right here, I have version 4. It's an older, stable version that I believe is best for streaming boxes. If you get our Blockada 5 or 6, it's really made for devices, cell phones, things of that nature. But if you really want Blockada 4, they don't offer it on the website, but we have access to it. They still service it. We have access to it through our Unlink store, and our customers have access to it. So let's open that up. So this is the first time I'm hooking up Blockada. So you can see that Blockada has an ad blocking feature already there. It's absolutely free. Below that, DNS is deactivated. So let's just click on that. It's going to go right on to Blockada. So if I just turn on Blockada real fast, I have to select one of the DNS servers. Give me a second here. So when we do this and go down, sorry, let me go back. So we go to DNS. I'm going to go down. You see right the second one. You have AdGuard DNS, which we were talking about. AdGuard DNS, which is family. So this blocks all trackers and all of that. Trackers, malicious intent, ads, family ads, where it secures those adult websites that you don't want your kids to have access to. So you got if I turn this on and I push to the right, I want it to work. Now the DNS is already working on my device, and I can show you as we go back here. Give me one second here, and I need to turn it on. So now my DNS is active as I've turned it on. I have AdGuard DNS. You see the shield is shooting out waves of things, and I can go back for you. and you can see for yourself that the DNS is active. Also, the ad blocking from the DNS is active. So remember, AdGuard DNS gives you free ad blocking. I turn it on. There is already 1,022 ads blocked. Period. Now, Blockada is a great app. The reason I like it the most is because of those two features. Also, Blockada Tunnel is a VPN, and I subscribed to it for the last 2 years. But if you already don't have a VPN, but you want to have guard yourself, go ahead and get Blockada 4, or you can purchase AdGuard DNS. But at the on the onset, look at what it gives you. What a great way to protect yourself, to protect your family. By already, if you're going to stream, you got to protect yourself. And it's one of the best things that you can do. And on this device right now is amazing because now I can go over to my VPN. I can turn on my VPN IO, knowing that I already have the ad blocking secure. Now my VPN is on. Now I am completely protected. I have a VPN. I have an app that protects me from ads. It also protects me from all of those things once I activate the DNS again. So I just need to turn this on really fast again, and it's working. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that it's available to you, and what is available to you, you should go ahead and use if you have the ability. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I did go 1 minute over. I apologize. I got to get better at it. Hey, I'm from theboxman.com, where we've changed the way you should watch TV. It is Sunday morning, and I wish every one of you a happy Sunday. Also, have a prosperous week, and we'll see you in